Pay-per-view and PERRLA Online makes writing papers more intuitive than ever. Before you dive in, there are 3 things you'll need to know. How to switch between pay-per-view and the normal editor, what's changed, and what to do if you run into a problem. Before we dive in, I want to remind you that the pay-per-view editor is still a beta feature. While we've tested it thoroughly, you may find some things that need improvement. That said, this is us just being overly cautious. With that out of the way, let's look at how you can turn pay-per-view on and off. You can switch between the pay-per-view editor and the normal editor 2 ways. The easiest is to just click the link for the pay-per-view beta at the top of your paper in PERRLA Online. The other is to use the Papers tab inside of your PERRLA Online account settings. We've built the new pay-per-view so that your papers can switch back and forth between the two without losing your paper's content along the way. Once you've turned pay-per-view on, there are 2 major changes, one big one and one small one. First, the big one. When looking at your paper, you'll notice that it looks like an actual paper. All the content that was separated into different tabs in the normal editor is now visible and editable in your paper. So if you need to edit your title page, go to the title page and double-click it. Want to add an abstract? Scroll between the body and the title page, where an abstract goes, and click Add Abstract. Same thing for editing references. Just double-click the reference in the Reference section page. Seeing your paper as a paper should make managing each of its sections much easier. Just so you know, while you can see page breaks between the different sections of your paper, like the title page and the body, we add the page breaks inside the sections, like inside the body, when you download or print the finished paper, not while you're working on it in the editor. Okay, now for the smaller change. We've added a menu bar. At the top of the editor, there's a menu bar with a number of writing options and tools. Things like showing word count, adding paper sections, and more. Be sure you check it out the next time you're writing. Okay, one last thing. If you find something that can be improved or isn't working right, please let us know. Send us any feedback or bugs to our support team through PERRLA Online or via email at support@perrla.com. We'd love to hear what you think. We hope pay-per-view makes writing papers even easier for you. Thanks for watching, and good writing.